You are not going to believe what I just saw outside.
What?
That new bakery across the street, they dropped a whole tray of croissants, like the entire thing, straight onto the sidewalk.
No way.
I swear, people were scrambling like it was free
That's
gold.
kind of amazing.
Keep this between us? Can you believe it? I never thought they'd do that.
No way. Are you serious?
Totally. Happened this morning. So wild, right?
That's unbelievable. I'm still processing.
I know. I almost spit out my coffee.
And then he just walked away like nothing happened. I swear,
No way.
some people...
You didn't say anything?
I was too stunned. Anyway, the guy looked exactly like that dude over there. Same shirt, same beard.